Welcome back. In this video, we will do an example using unit circle and trigonometric values. In this question, we need to find the coordinates of points. So they have given you an angle. So this is a 30 degree and this is a unit circle, so which is let's say 1 centimeter. So the question is the coordinates of this one. In order to find the coordinates of this one, let's say this is x comma y. Let me draw a right angle triangle. This is going to be x and this is going to be, the height is going to be y. And as you know from the trigonometric ratios, x is the adjacent of this right angle triangle, y is the opposite. Adjacent means x equal 1 hypotenuse time cos 30. So x equal 1 cos 30. If you put this in a calculator, cos 30 is equal to 0.8660. Similarly, y equal 1 times sine 30. If you use a calculator, 1 times sine 30 is equal to 0.5. Therefore, coordinates are x equal 0.8660, y equal 0.5. Thank you. Move on to next video.